college student right now, and my course is journalism. So I volunteered at this children's-oriented organization, RCA, Association for the Rights of the Child, Southeast Asia, to document about the plight of the Dumagat tribe in the Philippines. So one of their concerns was education. So when we went there, I was surprised how these small children have to go down the mountain for 3 hours just to go to school because but when I went there, I saw how important education is for those little children and how their simple right to education is not addressed. Some of the children told me stories about how the other children treat them at school or how their teacher will treat them because they don't have the money for projects or just because they don't wear shoes to school because they don't have money to buy shoes. They don't even have money to provide for their food every day. So when I went there, I saw how the inequality is really rampant. And from then on, I promised myself that if I'm going to write stories, I'm going to write stories for those future generations.